In today's video, I'm going to walk through how to create a derived or a calculated column in the data feed editor. Using volume sold and unit costs that we already have, we're going to create cost of goods sold. So let's go into edit mode. And the first thing that we're going to do is you can either create a new column here or click on this big button here. And we'll start by giving the column a name, COGS, a cost of goods sold. And then by clicking in the formula bar, you can start adding any kind of arithmetic. We're going to keep it very, very simple for today. So we're going to take volume sold by clicking on that column, multiplying it by unit costs. We'll then hit enter, and you can see that we've already got a calculated result. The last thing I'll do is I'll change that column to currency. And there you have it. We now have a derived or a calculated column inside of our data feed.